And welcome back. It's time for another quick bite with Hy-Vee Dietitian Kaiti George.
Well, hello there.
Hello.
How are you doing today?
I'm good.
I am so excited. We are going to be showcasing some 4th of July recipes for the next couple of weeks.
So exciting.
And this is one of the recipes that I have my children help me with, and actually they helped me prepare for this segment today. And they're like, oh, do we get to make these again this year? So they are always on board for this. So this is called a 4th of July firework hot dog. So we are actually going to be using turkey dogs today just to take the fat down a little bit. And so I'm just using the Johnsonville turkey smoked sausage.
Okay.
And I have a skewer. So this is just like a typical skewer. I know a lot of people say, do you have to soak it or anything like that? No. So we are just going to take it and we are just going to poke right through. This is what kids can do. They love to do this. If you don't mind where the skewer comes out, sometimes if children become involved, we're doing that. So you want to, or children or me.
Adults.
So what you want to do is you want to take the skewer and you want to take it so it's about like a 1/4 of an inch or 3/4 of an inch to an inch out the top, just like that. So we're going to do that for a couple of them, and again, just guide it up nice and slow, and it's just going to pop out the top. All right, so our prep work is done. From here, we are going to take the Pillsbury breadsticks, and this is where we went wrong. Again, you know, it's those Pinterest fails or whatever. This is where we went wrong because when we shopped, Hy-Vee was out of the breadsticks, and so I just got some biscuits, and I thought we'll roll it out. It will be fine, and it does get a little puffy if you don't use the breadsticks. So totally would recommend the breadsticks. So you're just going to pop that open, and from here we are going to take. So this is what the breadstick looks like. You want to elongate it as much as possible, and just kind of let it droop. This is again a great time where children can get involved and just kind of pull it long. And then from here, you just take it and you twist it around, kind of like a pig in a blanket, right?
Yes.
And twist it around your hot dog. If you want to stick it through the top so that it kind of goes is sealed, you can absolutely do that. Again, I'll show you what that's going to look like. So take it, use your fingers, pat it down, get it kind of as long as you can. And we're going to take it from here and simply wrap it. So this is where children love to get involved, do the wrapping themselves, and then always remember which one they did, right? Like, that was mine. That was totally mine. So what you're going to do, so this is your sparkler right now in the oven for about 20 minutes, about 350 degrees, and you're going to bake it, okay? So the hot dog's already cooked. All you really need to do is make sure that you are cooking the pizza dough. So that is where we go. That's going to get popped in the oven. And then while that's in the oven, we are going to just make it a little festive, right? And so from here, I do have some slices of cheese, and I'm just using a Colby Jack cheese. You don't want to use like a super sharp cheese because it gets a little dry and brittle. But I like to stack 2 of these on top of each other. And then from here, I have just a little star cookie cutter.
Oh, fun.
And you're just going to cut those out with the cheese. And this will be the tops for our hot dogs, you know, to end with the bang, right? So after these are cooked, really you're going to take the cheese and stick it right through the top.
This is so cute.
Oh, that one's falling off. You can really just kind of, I like to just thread it through, just like that. And cook it. I mean, if you want to talk about children loving something like this, they love it.
This is so cute.
Again, this the one that we cooked with, we actually used the biscuits that we tried to roll out. It didn't work the best, but it's the experience, right?
It looks fine.
Yes. These are just going to not puff up quite as much. So totally use the breadsticks if you can, but these work great. You know, 20-minute meals as well. And the kids, if they can have a little bit of hands involved, they're totally willing to do it. So super quick and easy and festive recipe.
Festive. Kaiti, thank you.
For sure.
We'll put the recipe on Nebraska.tv.